Unbelievable. That's the only word for Samsung's latest behemoth. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. A 14.6-inch screen that devours movies like a black hole, performance that crushes games without breaking a sweat, and a design so thin it feels like magic. But hold up, after 14 days of living with this thing, I've uncovered some mind-blowing letdowns that might just shatter your dreams. Is this the ultimate Android tablet or a giant swing and miss? Stick around because I'm spilling it all. All right, let's dive right in. I've been glued to this Tab S11 Ultra for 2 straight weeks now, binge-watching shows, sketching ideas for my next video, even trying a game on it during lunch breaks. As a guy who's always chasing the next big screen fix, I was hyped. Samsung's Ultra line has been my go-to for years, ever since the S8 dropped, and made me question why I even own a laptop. But man, does size really matter? Or does it just complicate everything? Let's break it down piece by piece. First up, design and display. Picture this. You're at a coffee shop, pulling out what looks like a full-on laptop from your bag. Heads turn. The Tab S11 Ultra measures a whopping 12.8 by 8.2 inches and weighs in at nearly 1.5 pounds. It's razor thin at just 5.1 millimeters, slimmer than my phone, which is wild, wrapped in that signature Armor aluminum frame with tempered glass. Flat edges, 16:10 aspect ratio, no funky curves. It screams premium without trying too hard. Colors? Moonstone gray or platinum silver. Safe, boring pics that blend into your desk. But hey, they don't show fingerprints like a neon nightmare would. But here's the rub, this thing is a tank. I tried carrying it everywhere my first week. To the park for some reading, even on a quick hike. Total disaster. It's like lugging a textbook from hell. At home, propped on a stand, it's a dream. Feels like a mini TV on steroids. Speaking of which, that 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display. Oh boy. HDR support, 120Hz refresh for buttery scrolling, and anti-reflective coating that laughs at sunlight. I fired up Dune the other night, and the sandworms popped like they were crawling out at me. No letterboxing headaches like on squarer iPads. Movies fill the screen perfectly. Brightness, it's 1600 in its peak, rivaling the 13-inch iPad Pro. Though Apple's edges out in dim rooms. The notch for the front camera? Still there. Still annoying during full screen mode. Why can't Samsung punch hole this yet? And biometrics? Under-display fingerprint scanner works like a charm. Quick taps, no fuss. Add Face Unlock if you're fumbling with the weight. Out of the box, you get the tablet, S Pen, USB-C cable, and manuals. No charger. Samsung, come on. Overall, the display's a knockout, but the design? It's built for your desk, not your backpack. If you're upgrading from a smaller tab, brace yourself. This beast demands respect. Now, keyboard and stylus. Because let's be real, who buys an Ultra without turning it into a productivity monster? The keyboard's the same as last year's S10 Ultra. Fully compatible. No new tricks. I grabbed one separately. It's got that trackpad and backlit keys that make typing emails feel legit. Pairs seamlessly for Dex mode, which we'll hit later. But the star? The S Pen. It magnets to the side now. Huge win over the old rear slot. No more fumbling behind the device mid-sketch. I spent hours doodling thumbnails for this video, and the low latency is chef's kiss. Pressure sensitivity. Tilt support. It's an artist's playground. Rhetorical question time. Why, Samsung, why ditch Bluetooth on the S Pen? No more air actions like remote camera triggers or presentation swipes. It's like giving you a sports car without the turbo. I love that on my old Tab S9. Felt futuristic. Now, it's just a fancy stick. Still included free, which is clutch, but this downgrade stings, especially after the S25 Ultra pulled the same move. If you're a note taker or creator, it'll wow you 90% of the time. The rest? You'll miss those gestures. Performance. Ah, the heart pumper. Under the hood, MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 Plus on a 3nm process. Not quite Snapdragon 8 elite territory, but dang, it's a beast. Geekbench scores smoked the S10 Ultra in single and multi-core. Single core around 2,800, multi hitting 10,000 plus. Graphics? The Immortalis GPU pushes sustained frames and Genshin Impact without throttling much. I hooked up a controller for Call of Duty mobile marathons. 14.6 inches of glory, no lag. Paired with 12 gigabytes RAM on base models, 16 gigabytes on 1 terabyte. Multitasking is effortless. 20 tabs, video editing in LumaFusion, Spotify blasting. Oh, and micro SD up to 2 terabytes? Game changer for hoarding 4K footage. Real talk, it's snappier than my S10, no doubt. But against the M4 iPad Pro, Apple still owns raw power for pro apps. If you're gaming or streaming, this flies. Daily driver? Flawless. Heat stays chill, even after hours. Samsung, you nailed the upgrade here. Palpable jump that justifies the hype. Software is where Samsung shines, or stumbles, depending on your vibe. Android 16 with One UI 8 out the gate, plus 7 years of updates. That's future-proofing I can get behind. Galaxy AI is loaded. Drawing assist straightened my wonky sketches into pro-level art. Try a coffee mug. It nailed the handle. Gemini integration. Circle to search. It's like having a brainy sidekick. One UI's customization. Endgame. Taskbar tweaks. Split-screen magic. Themes galore. Feels polished, not bloated. But Dex? Oof. No more full desktop mode on device. Got a hook to a monitor now. The new on-device Dex in recent apps is, okay, a workspace bubble for apps, but it's clunky compared to old versions. I tried editing a script. It worked, but I missed the seamless flow. Why fix what wasn't broken? Still, for a tablet OS, it's leagues ahead of stock Android. If you're deep in the ecosystem, you'll love it. Casual users might feel overwhelming at first. Audio, quad AKG-tuned speakers that punch above their weight. Rich bass, crisp highs, wide soundstage. I blasted Bohemian Rhapsody and felt Freddie in the room. Movies? Immersive as heck. Separation on vocals and instruments is spot on, no muddiness. The letdown? No haptic feedback. Zip, zero vibration motor. Dropped from the S10 Ultra to squeeze in that slightly bigger battery, I guess. Typing feels flat. Notifications? Silent in your hand. On a phone, it'd bug me more, but on a tablet? It's noticeable during games or alerts. Not a deal breaker, but why skimp on Ultra? Battery and charging. 11,600 milliamp hours pack, up 400 milliamp hours from last year. Efficiency from the Dimensity shines. I got 12 hours of mixed use videos, browsing, light editing at 200 nits. Web surfing, 15 hours easy. Video loop, 18. Gaming dipped to 7 hours, but that's solid. Beats the S10 in most tests, edges the iPad Pro slightly. Charging, 45 watts gets you to 100% in about 1 hour 40. Faster than Apple's snail pace. No wireless, though. I charged overnight twice. Woke up full every time. For a screen this big, it's a win. Pro tip, dim that brightness, folks. It'll last forever. Cameras, not the star, but functional. Rear, 13 megapixel main and 8 megapixel ultra wide. Snaps decent docs or quick scans. Colors pop in good light. Video calls, the front 12 megapixel ultra wide holds up sharp natural skin tones. But ditching the wide angle front cam, brutal. No more fitting the whole family in frame without awkward angles. I hosted a virtual game night. Had to prop it weirdly. Quality's fine for a tablet, not phone level. But hey, it's not why you buy this. Alright, value time. Let's talk cash. Base 256 gigabytes Wi-Fi, $1,199 straight from Samsung. That's the sticker you're staring at, no sugarcoating. 512 gigabytes jumps to $1,399. 1 terabyte hits $1,699. Ouch! But hey, you're getting 14.6 inches of AMOLED glory, S Pen in the box, microSD up to 2 terabytes, and 7 years of updates, compared to the iPad Pro 13-inch at $1,299, often $1,099 on sale. It's pricier up front, but Samsung throws in that stylus and expandable storage for free. Real talk. If you're coming from an S10 Ultra, deals on that are dipping to $900 to $1,000 right now. Basically the same tablet for less. Hunt Samsung's trade-in. I've seen $800 off with an old tab. Worth it for creators or couch streamers. But if you want portability, pass. This is a desk king, not a budget buddy. So, wrapping this up, is the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra still a good buy? It's a mixed bag that leans gorgeous giant with nagging nicks. That screen's a portal to another world. Performance hums, battery endures, and 7 years of support? Gold. But those letdowns, no S Pen Bluetooth, vanished front cam, no haptics, stale decks, pile up like crumbs on your keyboard. After 14 days, it's my media muncher home, but I wouldn't lug it out. Score? 7.1 out of 10. Solid, but 9% behind class leaders like the M4 iPad Pro. Upgrade from S8? Maybe if it's wheezing. S9 or S10? Nah. Save your cash. S10 deals are basically this for less. Craving the biggest Android slab in 2025? Grab it on promo. Otherwise, either OnePlus Pad 2 or wait for Black Friday magic. What about you, Ultra fan or pass? Drop your thoughts below. Hit like if this saved you buyer's remorse. Catch you next time. Stay techie.